I want to show you the minimalist toiletry kit I've been using for the past 6 months or so. This is the Eagle Creek Packet Isolate Quick Trip and the extra small size. This one is really similar to the previous model, which is the Spectre Quick Trip. They changed the styling, it's a little bit more square now. It comes in 2 sizes. I have the extra small here, which is 8 by 4 by 2.5 wide. Also comes in a slightly larger small size, which is going to be very similar to the size on this Spectre, which is about 10 by 5.5 by 3.5. And not to be confused with the 2 other Quick Trip toiletry bags, this is the Isolate, and there's also the Gear Quick Trip, which is completely different. And then there's also a Reveal Quick Trip, which is also different. One of my favorite things about this is just the weight. It's made out of this sil nylon. It's very thin. It's almost see-through, but it's also really strong. This extra small version here weighs just 1.5 ounces or about 45 grams, which takes up virtually no weight in your pack. And even though this thing is really small, it has a large main compartment. You can fit a ton of toiletries in here. As an example, this is all the stuff that I had packed in here. A bunch of liquids, deodorant, shampoo bottle, mini mirror, etc. The main compartment is great for just all the bigger, bulky items. Just toss them right in there. These front pockets are really thin, so they're great for these smaller things like razor, comb, toothbrush, one on each side, and they're both about the same width. And just to notice that this front pocket is a little bit small for a full-size toothbrush. Can't quite fit it in there. It can fit in the main compartment, but that's why I broke the handle off of this one. That's everything packed in this little tiny toiletry kit. About the only thing that I don't like on this thing is that it doesn't have a middle hook. There's just a hook here on the end so that when you're hanging this thing up in the bathroom, you don't have easy access to the stuff in the compartment. And that's one of the reasons why I also really like this thing. Is the Sea to Summit Traveling Light toiletry bag. It's about twice as heavy as the Eagle Creek Quick Trip, but it has this great feature, little hook, you can hang it up, easy access to the pockets, and also this large main compartment. This little guy though is just a little bit smaller. It's about half the weight and it's a great shape. This little rectangle is just really easy to pack. That's all I have on the Eagle Creek Isolate Quick Trip toiletry bag. This is the extra small size. If you have any questions about toiletry bags, minimalist packing, minimalist toiletries, hit me up in the comments below. And again, thanks for watching.